Hello, my name's Joe, and I wanted to show you and give you a review of HBA, Home Business Academy. I've been a part of this program for quite a while. I'm not going to go too much in depth of it because I don't know everything, and there'll be a link in the below this video. You can click on that and it explains way more than I can, and probably better than I can as well. I just want to tell you that if you're looking to make like a capture page, membership pages, anything practically having to do with websites, this is probably one of the best builders out there. There are other ones, and they'll probably charge you way more, but I like this one because you can also create membership sites. A lot of places have ones you can make. You can build a capture page, and that's great. You can build a landing page, and you can redirect people to wherever you want and integrate everything. But if you want a members area, maybe you have a product of your own, that takes like your own website and more knowledge of knowing how to code or buying a membership script that you have to install and upload on your server. This, you pay for it, and you can have as many websites as you have. I only have 2 linked right now. I know someone who's got like 5, maybe more. They don't care. You pay, it's a $25 a month fee, and that's it. And then if you refer others, you too you'll make $20 off of that. So that's one of the reasons why I really like this. You get a big commission, and it's a monthly commission. But the tool is really great, and along with that, there are other things you can get in this program. You can upgrade and get the premium, and you can get the another membership. Those are not necessary if you're just looking for the builder and the membership area. $25 is all you want, and later on, if you want to upgrade, you can. If not, hey, no problems. I just wanted to show this to you. So this is the builder. When you log in, you get your own login. So this is the one I use to promote the business itself, which is Home Business Academy. And using it is pretty simple. Everything's like drag and drop. Oops, now I've gone and done it, right? Well, not really, because you could just undo. It's pretty simple. It's not complicated. So let's, for example, we'll just like try to make one, right? So let's say you joined. You'll have, I believe they put one in here. I don't remember anymore. But if you don't, you come in here and you'll go down here, add a new step. I got a whole bunch of things I've been messing with. You'll add a new step. You add a page, and you can pick whatever you want. And they have some pre-built for you. And you can see all these here. They have a bunch of them that are pre-built. You can mess with them all you like. So, example, let's just say this one here, right? Simple capture page. You can preview it. Looks great. You can do whatever you want. So then you'll select this one, give it a name. I'll just name this course or whatever. What does everybody do in these videos? Demo. We'll add it. So I messed with this, so I haven't saved it, so it's asking me. So no, we'll just leave it alone, and that way nothing. I didn't change anything. So here you'll have this page, and you can mess with it all you want. So one thing you can do is already you can preview it, and once you you'll have to link your domain. Recommend getting like a generic domain or whatever. Like I got New Digital Biz. It's generic, and you can put anything after you want after it. If you start naming it Home Business Academy, or of course those are all gone. But unless you're promoting the business, there's no really need. And even then, you want to be different. You don't want to be. So once you do that, you link it. That's included. You buy your domain name it Namecheap. Link it here, so you can see the demo, right? So let's go back to this page here. So let's say, I think this is too high or whatever. So you can move this up just like that. Save it, and then go back to the demo page, and you can even refresh it. It's already changed. Look at that. You're like, oh, it's moved up now. And you can mess with this text here. Just highlight it. Take the bold off. Change the font. Right? Change the colors. It's pretty simple. Not sure where the colors are, but they're in here. There it is. There's the color. Let's make it red. See? Easy. Hit return. You can make it look pretty. It does get a little bit complicated when you got to do your stuff, but you would you want to link in your stuff here, but they have demonstrations and everything for you to to learn on how to use it. But it's very simple, as you can see. I've already made this page. You can, I don't want to have this or I don't want to have that. You can take out whatever you want. Edit the fields. 1 second. Here it is. I don't want to have that there. Let's get rid of it. There it is. It's gone. There we are. Right? Hit save. Here. It's gone. Easy. Easy peasy. So then you go back on here and it'll be here. And if you leave it here, this will be that'll be the link. So it'll be new digital media, new digital biz /demo. If you move it, you grab this and you take it all the way to the top, it'll be your main domain. And you can see this, how many people have come to my site, so many people land on it. So there's that. And you can delete it. So I'll just delete that because I don't want to keep it. Then let's say you want to make a membership site. So you come here, which I actually haven't even built a membership site, but you might need one, right? So we'll just select this. Let's see. What am I doing? Here we go. All right. There it is. You can put your logo, change this up, all the links, and as you're messing with it, it'll tell you what to do and how to link it. It'll, next step, link to the login page. Support, and something you don't want, just delete. Oh, and I didn't go on the other one. So over here, you hit this plus side and you can add all these widgets. So let's say you did want to change. Let's say you wanted to change this. Sorry. Wanted to change this. So you delete this. I don't like that one there. And you want to put something else. You just drag and drop it right in there. Another text. You want to grab, say, a picture right in there. And then you get your pictures and you can come in here. And look, there I am. Whoop-de-doo. Anyways, you put your picture there, whatever you want. Make it look however you like to your members area. And you have the link. And honestly, I don't know how to lock it down, but there is a way. You'll have a login page and everything when they sign up as well. So, I mean, it's a really great system for building capture pages. It's really easy. It doesn't take much. They have tons of tutorials. If you come into the back and you go into my HBA here, I'm a full-blown member. I'm all the way in. I have everything. So this is the academy. It shows you everything. The first steps on how to do it. The builder setup, everything you need, how to integrate your autoresponder. And even if you don't integrate an autoresponder into it, when people sign up, they will land in here, in your contacts. I don't really want to go in there because I think I have people in here. I do. So they will be in there. And I mean, it won't follow up with them, but you'll have their information and everything. Oh gosh, I thought my recording was off. Okay, because I really don't want to edit this video. All right. So, where was I? Yes, the builder. So you get all this training on just how to use the builder. If you are upgraded premium, you get this, the traffic, and all this academy on learning how to get traffic and that, and then the literacy academy. That's another upgrade. You don't have to get this. The builder is $25 a month. That's all it is. I'll show you too. I've done pretty good with this program. Not the greatest in the world. I haven't been promoting it very long. I've been kind of slow. Honestly, I had more sales, but some people, this is a monthly program. Some people have gone back on what they do chargebacks and they take it away. But so far I've made about $1,000 with this program. I've had 14 orders. I haven't been promoting heavily because I've been using it for myself to promote other things. Along with that, when you get another website, which I do have another website, I have Nitro Traffic. I built this whole website right on here. You see, I'm not getting very much traffic to this right now. But you switch, like, what you have to contact them and they'll add this new one in for you and all that good stuff. Now, how do we get to the builder on this one? Here we go. There it is. And this is a website I built. I just went in here. It's got a shopping cart and everything. You do have to have like your own. You can put PayPal and I think Stripe and all that stuff. You can come in here. This is really great. I mean, it has other things. So not only do you get to make a capture page, you can make a store as well. So you connect a payment processor here. I don't really want to go in there because I got my authorized net and I don't want to give that stuff out. But I know you can. Maybe I can go in there and you can just see what. Maybe I will have to edit this video. Okay, you don't see anything. Good. And then add here, and you can Stripe, PayPal, all these things, which some of these I have never even heard of, and you can connect them to your website, and shipping and taxes. So if you have real products, you can put you make a whole store in here. If you need help too, I'm pretty good with this stuff. I don't want to go into it on the video because I'll probably get lost, but I'm pretty good at figuring this stuff out. So if you need help and you do join through me, I will help you. Just contact me. I don't bite. Unless you want me to. Just kidding. All right. That's about it, I think. This program is pretty good. So, yeah. So look at the link below. It's gonna probably send you to my site. It's probably the one I'm gonna send you to is just this one right here. Probably going to bring you to this web page here and explain it to you. It will tell you that it's just $25 a month, and please remember that it's a monthly thing. Is it that one or is it this one? It'll probably be this one actually, and this one explains it. They go really good into detail here on the HBA Funnel Builder. And it's like I said, only $25. So that's my video. I just wanted to explain it because I've had a few people ask me, how do I build a website, or how do you do it? It's complicated, but this makes it really easy. That's all. So, hey, you have questions, contact me. Thanks for watching.